Hello everyone, welcome back to another one of my videos. I thought I would talk a little bit about sidechain compression today. It's actually something that can be really useful when mixing. It allows you to give space to certain instruments and allows for bass to come through a lot more. So with that in mind, if you're new here, click like and subscribe and let's get to the video. Right then, so I've written out a little synth part and just a bass drum. So the synth part is basically just one chord all the way through. I'll solo it and I'll play that. It's just basically noise. And this kick drum is just playing kick drums. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add sidechain compression to the synth part. And that is going to activate every time the kick drum hits. And it's going to activate that compression to pull down the synth volume slightly on every single kick drum hit. And that's going to allow space for the kick drum to come through in the mix. And it's also going to allow us to hear the kick drum a lot better. It also creates like a breathing sound in the mix. It's as if like your song becomes like alive and it's just breathing. It's quite an interesting sound. So this is how you put that sidechain compression on. You open up the mixer and you go to the synth channel. And we're going to add a compressor. And what you want to do is click this activate sidechain button at the top. And then click on the little arrow. And we're going to click this add sidechain input. And we're going to add the kick drum channel. So that's telling this compressor that every time that kick drum has a signal, we're going to activate the compressor and pull down the track. So let's listen that. So you can see we're already getting a little bit of compression. I'm going to take that to the extreme now just so you can hear the effect. So as you can hear now, you can hear that breathing sound that I was talking about. This gives a lot more space in the mix for that kick drum to come through. So this is a really good technique for things like dance music or techno or electronic, anything with that kick drum as a prominent instrument. You really want to get that to come through loads, then you can dip the rest of the track and give it a load more space for it to come through. And you can play around with this quite a bit. So if I put the hold up to about, say, around there, and then the release to quite low, you get this effect. I think it was a band called Daft Punk that came up with this technique. I'm not quite sure, I could be wrong. So what I'll do now is I'll just show you a comparison between the effect on and the effect off. So this is with it on. And this is with it off. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. And if it's helped in any way, then click that like button and subscribe for more of my videos. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.